Hi, my name is Jason. I am a lieutenant. I used to use Microsoft Excel, but switched to Google Sheets. For more reviews like this, please click below. Both Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel are extremely helpful in compiling data, specifically spreadsheets that we use throughout our agency and often distribute to outside entities. Google Sheets is a very similar product to Microsoft Excel, but where it really goes above and beyond is user accessibility. You can access it basically anywhere on a computer, on your cell phone. You can have multiple users accessing the same spreadsheet at the same time, add and eliminate viewing and editing rights. It really sets itself apart. Microsoft Excel might be a little bit more of a user friendly program, has a few more characteristics than Google Sheets. I would say it's best for compiling your own spreadsheets that you do not plan on sharing with anybody else or having anybody else work on at the same time. I'll first start off by talking about Microsoft Excel. I've been using that product for close to 20 years, it feels like. I was introduced to Excel at a local college while taking college classes. And that was really the first spreadsheet program that I was exposed to. So it was very simple for me to learn and utilize. Google Sheets, our agency switched to the Google platform roughly about 7, 8 years ago. And it is very similar in how it's used comparative to Microsoft Excel. It did take a little bit of time understanding the editing and viewing rights portion, but both products are very simple to use. When looking for this type of software, you first need to think about who is going to be accessing and viewing the spreadsheet. Microsoft Excel, again, is a very easy to use platform, has a few more characteristics and features than Google Sheets does. If you work within an environment where you're going to have several users accessing that spreadsheet, editing that same spreadsheet, there's no doubt in my mind that Google Sheets is the way to go.